Bienvenidos na bien Chavacano. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Chavacano expression Tampa Caro. Tampa Caro. This expression means to play hard to get or to feel important in a bad way. For example, you have a meeting with someone and that person does not show up. You might say that that person is Tampa Caro. Another example is when you send someone a message and that person does not reply to you, you can say that that person is Tampa Caro. Now this expression is made up of two words, or depending on how you look at it, three. Caro, from the Spanish term meaning expensive, and tan pa. Tan is a construction itself of two words, ta and man. So if you really look at it, the full expression is actually ta man pa caro. I hope that makes sense. So I don't know when this expression was coined or first used, but as far as I can recall, my grandparents never seemed to use this expression at all. And I think not even my aunts and uncles would use this expression. In fact, it was only from my classmates as well as my friends that I would hear this expression. So I think this is a fairly new Chavacano expression. Alright, let us now look at some real life examples of this Chavacano expression being used. For that, let's head on to Facebook. Here's our first example. Tampa ka guste, noy gani sa balor de Bucara. So in this sentence, this person is basically saying that you should not feel too self-important because you're not even pretty. So here's our next example. Tampa karo gadbo? If I know, you're just one of those bitches out there. So in this example, this person sounds like he's talking to somebody who just rejected him. So as you can imagine, most of these examples are coming from angry people.